Hello everyone, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to Masala Chai Media, Learn Spoken Kannada through English series. I hope you have enjoyed my previous video on conversation between teacher and kids. So this video will give more insight or more sentences that how to converse with kid. So without any further delay, let's see how do we say that don't make noise, be silent. Okay, so let's pick the word noise. Noise is shabda in Kannada. Okay, don't, as we have already learnt this, madu is do, don't is madabeda, right? So now we know noise is shabda and don't is madabeda. Don't make noise is shabda madabeda, or in singular you can say shabda madabedi. Okay, and be silent. Silent means shantate, right? Be silent is silent is shanti or shantate. So we can say shantavagiri or saddu madabedi or shabda madabedi shantavagiri or maunavagiri. Mauna means again silent. Maunavagiri. Iri is be there, right? Maunavagiri. Now you can just try using this noise and make other sentences like what's that noise? Enadu shabda, right? Enadu shabda. If someone says what's that noise? Okay, so then probably then a teacher will say that okay, so have you all understood the lesson? Okay, lesson is adhyayana. Okay, you can say, or patha you can say. So have you all understood the lesson? Ellarige, all means ellaru, right? Ellarige patha artha aita. Artha means understand. Artha aita. Have you understood the lesson? So ellarige patha artha aita. Then kid might say that no ma'am, I did not understand this paragraph, right? So how do we say that no, I did not understand? Illa nanage artha agilla. Agilla is past. If kid want to say that right now I am not understanding, then you can say artha agta illa. So no, I am not understanding is nanage artha agta illa, or I did not understand is nanage artha aglilla. Okay, then a teacher might ask that is it which lesson? Is it means hauda? Yes, it is means haudu. We all are aware now. Is it means you can say hauda. Okay, so which lesson? Which is, as you all know, it's yava. So yava lesson athwa yava paಠ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ, ಯಾವ ಪಾಠ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, then kid might reply saying that okay, I did not understand 5th chapter. Okay, so ನನಗೆ 5ನೇ chapter. 5th means 5, right? Then when it become 5 means 5, 5th means 5ನೇಯ. Okay, so ನನಗೆ 5ನೇಯ chapter ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so then probably teacher will say okay, no problem, I will explain it again. Sari parvagilla, no problem. Sari parvagilla, ಮತ್ತೆ explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, ಸರಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Or you, instead of explain, if you want to use Kannada, you can use ವಿವರಣೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿವರಣೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ or ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿವರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, okay, these are the basic sentence that we encounter in schools. So apart from these, when you want to say okay, come in or come here, right? When you want to call kid, so come here will be illi ba. It is just clubbing the words that we already learnt in previous video, right? So come means ba here. So come here means illi ba. Go there, alli hogu. Stand straight, straight agi nintko, or ನೇರವಾಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋ. ಯೂಶಲಿ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮಚ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್, ನೇರವಾಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋ. ನಿಲ್ಲು ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ನಿಂತ್ಕೋ ಈಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್. Stand silent. How do we say this? Stand means nillu. We have learned it. So stand silent means summane nintko. Summane we use it even for simply. But here summane nintko means just don't do anything, just stand there or stand silent. Okay. Summane nintko. Okay. So even if someone asks you something and if you want to just say simply, or we mostly use chumma, right? Chumma or simply. For that in Kannada you can say that sumne. Okay. So stand silent is summane nintko. And if you want to say, okay, go and get the register from office. ಹೋಗಿ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇಂದ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಾ. ಗೆಟ್ ದ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇಂದ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹೌ ಡು ವಿ ಸೇ ಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಾ, ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. ಬಂದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಿ. ಬರಿ ಈಸ್ ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಂದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಿ. Mele is on. I think this is the new word. So mele is on. Come and write on the board is bandu board mele bari. Okay. If you want to say it with respect for someone who is elder, you can say bandu board mele bari ri. Re it re you have to add. So bari is right. That is the new word, and you can try to make some sentences with right. So how do we say read this chapter at home? Okay, ಈ ಪಾಠ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓದಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಓಕೆ, ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಓಕೆ. ಈ ಪಾಠ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಡು ವಿ ಸೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೀವ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್? ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಆರ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೀವ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ನಾಳೆ ಶಾಲೆ ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ. ಲೀವ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಡು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೀವ್. ನಾಳೆ ಶಾಲೆ ಬಿಡಬೇಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಡು ವಿ ಸೇ, ಲೈಕ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಓದುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? ಆರ್ ದೇ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್? ಓಕೆ, ಓದು ಈಸ್ ರೀಡ್. ಓದುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೀಡ್. ಸೊ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? ಸೊ ಹೌ ಡು ವಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದಟ್ ಡು ಯು ನೋ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಆರ್ ಡು ಯು ನೋ ಎನಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಆರ್ ಡು ಯು ನೋ ಎನಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಡು ಯು ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್? ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಆರ್ ಇವನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎನಿ ನೇಮ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸುಧಾಮೂರ್ತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ this sentence you can just use it for any like when you want to ask next person that do you know about this. Okay, nimage English gotta or nimage Kannada gotta. Okay, these are the possible sentences that we think mostly used in the schools or when you deal with kids. So if you have more sentence, just let us know in the comment section. We will try to help you with those sentences. Keep watching Masala Chai Media videos. Happy learning. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.